Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you my ledger proof. So what are the trades I did from this September 1st to the September 14th, that is the last date of this month. Okay, so I'll be showing the ledger proof and my profit what I was able to book for this month. Okay, so before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational video, intraday trading strategy, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So guys, by being said that, now I shall show you the ledger. Okay, so that is from 1st of September to the 14th, that is the last trading day of this month. Okay, so as you can see, I withdraw my profit for every 2 weeks or a month. Okay, so here is a profit from 3rd September. Okay, so on 3rd September I made a profit of 4,985, and on 4th 5,147 rupees profit, and on 5th 5,569 rupees profit, and on 6th 6,251 rupees profit, and on 7th 6,852 rupees profit, and on 10th 7,125 rupees profit, and on 14th 8,251 rupees profit. So 7 days I traded in this month till now. Okay, and on 13th there was a holiday for festival of Ganesha Chaturthi, as you guys know. So that day the market was off, and before that the 2 days I was out and couldn't trade the 2 days. So that's why I didn't trade on 2 days. Okay, so all the other days I have been traded, and this is the profit. Okay, so I generally do 1 or 2 trades per day. Yes, there was loss on few days also, but it was recovered on the second trade. Okay, I don't do more than 2 trades per day. If one trade got lost, I'll just try for other trade, and if that trade doesn't get a profit, I'll close it with the loss also. But on the second trade, our targets was done and we were in a profit. Okay, so as you can see, these are the profit till now for this month. Okay, so I started with 51,000 something, and now it's 95,513 rupees by 14th of September. So this is how constantly we trade to make profit. Okay, so if you're interested to make money constantly like this, you can definitely join us. Okay, so I'll guide you how to make money constantly like this. So you can visit my blogspot, that is tradingshero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description. I do provide energy and M6 trading course. The course price are very less and reasonably priced. If you're taking both the course, you're getting discount in the price also. Here you can see earning proof and feedback from my clients after taking the course. You can see a lot of people has won the 60 days challenge also, and also a lot of ledger proof. Okay, so you can go inside it and watch all of these things and see how constantly my clients are earning after joining my course. So if you're interested to earn like this constantly, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course. Okay, and also here you can see feedback messages from my client after taking the course. So these are all the messages what I've got. So you can go through all of these things, and if you're interested to join us and to make money constantly like this, you can definitely join us now. And also, if you join my course, these are all the things what is covered. Okay, so I'll be teaching you how to earn constantly in trading. I'll be teaching you 90 to 95% accuracy unique strategies which you require no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a good timing and discipline. Just by spending 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Also, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of 10,000 rupees only. And also I'll be teaching you a good money management system, a risk-free trading system, and already, as you guys know, my course price are less and reasonably priced. So this is the thing I want to show you in the video, guys. And also you can go inside my channel and watch all the video. Every day I upload a lot of educational video, strategies, tricks and a lot of stuff. And also I upload how much profit we made, have we made on every single day. So you can go inside it and watch all of these things and see how constantly and how accurately we are making profits. So if you're interested to earn like this, you can definitely join us now. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one.